Hello, really short video. Reason is, as you may have known, I don't know what to build. And people say, well, why don't you make something really big? And yes, I would like to do that. So there are several ways of doing that. One of is using this rubber magnet that I already have. This is the cut down version, 7 millimeters wide, and this is the ND Fab, so kind of neodymium rubber magnet. So it's not as strong as neodymium. It's probably half as strong as the neodymium N32 or something, maybe lower even, I don't know. But there is something about rubber magnet that is very pleasant, and one thing is that I can decide the sizes. I can cut it. It's one length, so no. Yeah. So if you have multiple magnets, let me grab one or two. Just. Oh, this one is broken. So. Oh, this one is broken as well now. There's all kinds of stuff falling on behind me. You have to butt them up like this. And yes, it works. Wait, let's see if this is even the... No, so it's like this. So they don't want to be together. And it creates a weird thing here in the... yeah, in between. This does not happen. Does not have that. So that's really nice. The reason why a continuous magnet is nicer than several small magnets, but you know, in some cases there's no way around it. So yeah, I wanted to show you this, and I showed something similar already, but wait. So we'll measure. Oh, God damn it! Fuck. This magnet is so weak; it doesn't want to be sitting on the metal properly. I'll put something in between, I guess, because this. Yes. Okay. Because I want to know the magnetic field over here, and it's around 37 millitesla, so not much. Now these, my custom made thingies, 78, so well, let's say twice as high. Now, the thing is, twice the magnetic field means 6 dB more output, which is insane. Now, I would like to make a mid-range base panel out of this magnet, but it's gonna be costly. Especially, they're smaller, so to make up for, like, let's say, a panel that is this wide, I need much more of these than I have to use these. Well, on the other hand, that means the foil is far more uniformly driven, and the thing I measured right now, the plus 6 dB, might be even more, because there's more magnets in a certain area, surface area. So this could work even, you know, besides 6 dB more output, might drive the foil more evenly, that's one, so maybe lower distortion, but also because there's more magnet in there. It might even be more than 6 dB more output. So now the question was, I was sitting in the kitchen. I thought, well, I really like this material. It's made really well. Yeah, I like everything about it except one thing, and that's price. The price is way too high. I paid 220 euros for 10 meters. So, including shipping though. So that's a bit too much. yeah, I'm willing to say that's way too much. It should be like, I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know. At least way lower, like 1/4 of the costs. Now I sent them a mail and I have no reply yet, but I asked them, what if I can get some people on board that want to make a mid-range, a tweeter, or a base panel, because with this size of magnet you could do all of them, and you can use either wire or just simple foil, like this aluminium foil that you can buy online. You know, this would work. This is only 3mm. 5mm would work as well, because the distance between the middle of the magnet and the next middle of the magnet is less or more than 5, so even that would work for base panels. So to me, it seems to be a rather nice size to do all. It can do tweeter duty, it can do low end, and it fits perfectly on this perforated plate. This is R3T4. So the holes are 3mm in diameter, and the step, which it makes in like a triangle, is 4. It even sticks to the metal here, and it's only because of these. I'm pretty sure they will not do that. So let's see if I remove this. Yeah, nothing. So yeah, these are insanely nice rubber magnets, and as far as I know, and I'm not completely sure, none of the, yeah, well, as far as I know, none of the commercial planar magnetic people have this kind of magnet. And yeah, that could be insanely nice. What I believe, it's not Altifox, I mean they used neodymiums. The other company, the French company, used rubber magnet, but I don't think they used neodymium rubber magnet. I think they used big ass ferrite rubber magnet. It works as well, which is really nice. I'm not sure about their new design, by the way. No clue. Maybe they use something else. Could well be. Who knows? It doesn't really matter. At least if you're interested in making your own like mid-ranges, because you could make a very nice mid-range from this panel. A bit weird size though, but, and maybe a little bit wider would be nice, but with this kind of magnet it's easy to do, rather easy to do, and you still have quite good output. I might have to make a small, maybe mid-range, because I only have 10 meters right now, which is very precious to me, because it's, well, it's almost, well, it's 220 euros, so for this plaque, for this piece of rubber, which is quite insane. So I might need to make a mid-range to show what it can do, as well as, I don't know either, I never made a mid-range with this. I did make a tweeter with this, which was rather impressive compared to the old rubber magnet. And there is a video somewhere on my channel, I believe. I call it rubber, well, probably a neodymium rubber magnet thingy, tweeter mid-range. Who knows? Anyhow, if you're interested in this kind of magnet, let me know as well, because I would like to do like a sort of more like a group buy, because I cannot afford to buy 1,000 meters of this. Not at this price, at least. I mean, that would be 100 times I paid right now. That's gonna be really expensive. That would only be 22,000 euros. So of course that's not gonna be the price, but it has to come down like insanely a lot. So I might not even buy 1,000 meters. I asked them what is 1,000 meters gonna cost. Yeah, by the looks of it, 1,000 is out of the question, because they're not gonna make it 10 times as cheap or something. But well, you know, I would like to spend some money on a considerably amount of this kind of magnet, but only if other people chip in as well, because otherwise they will have a much higher price, which I cannot afford, and probably the rest cannot afford either. So just an idea. So let me know if you're interested. Please send me a message or something, so I have kind of an idea of what people want. Yeah, and I probably need payment in advance. Well, let's first wait what they say, what the price will be. I asked for 1,000. That's kind of ridiculous, but when I think of it, because yeah, at this price it would be 22,000 euros, which I'm not even close to. Maybe like 1/10. But even that is far more than I would like to spend. So yeah, I should have asked them for like 300 meters or something. Well, or 200. God damn it. Well, see you around. Let me know what you think. I really love this stuff. It gives you like twice the field as these rubber ferrite ones, but these are almost twice the width. And I'll show you. They're the same thickness. These are 7.2 and these are should be 4. Yeah. So a lot more magnetic field in a smaller package, which means you could drive the membrane even more evenly, like more in the region to electrostatic or whatever. But still, the distance in between was in this case 3 millimeters, so you could even like put 2 traces in there, or if you used wire, you could put like, well, many wires in there if you wanted. If you want to go old school. See you around. I had to get a battery to show you this. Well, see ya. And let me know either in the comments, but if you can send me a message on Facebook or on my email address. I believe everyone by now has my email address because I get loads of mails if I want to help making something. I am not willing to make everyone's loudspeaker, so I'm willing to answer questions if I can. I'm not a pro, I'm just a hobbyist as well. So you can ask me something and maybe I have an answer and maybe it's not even correct, but I'm not willing to create a complete loudspeaker or design something so you can make it. I don't have time for that, just so you know. But if you're interested in having these magnets and play for yourself, just like I do, because I'm only playing. There is no book about magnet planers, there's no book about AMTs, there's no book about Rubinoids. ESLs, on the other hand, there are books about those speakers. Well, planar magnetic, there's absolutely nothing I could find. Go to DIY audio to learn, or watch a lot of videos, or do both, and discover for yourself. See you around. Bye bye.